Ladies and gentlemen.
Hey all, Elijah here, driver of the number 10 USA late model. We're here at Stateline Speedway Halloween Bash to try and give out some candy and have some fun. We're going to take you with us as we go. Please watch. This is all for fun and you're going to like it.
Man, I just couldn't help but get a beauty shot of little old Butter Knife. She's a real good stock clip car.
Yeah, every Friday.
This is a family event. Super stoked that my wife allows me to do this stuff. She's so helpful, couldn't do it without her.
All right, so we got a couple practice sessions in. The car was tight on exit. We made some adjustments to the rear track bar and the sway bar, hoping to gain some traction. Went out a couple more times, didn't really progress any. Decided to swap some springs around and it really woke up and became alive, I guess. So now we're gonna go ahead and give candy to all these little kids. There's a bunch of people out there super excited to give it away. They're gonna be stoked about it. So we're gonna do that, then we'll be racing.
Thank you to my brother and his lady Olivia for setting up some Halloween decorations on the car and helping out with everything. I appreciate it.
All right. Here comes the kids. And Sherry. And Sherry. You got a whole lot to go?
Yeah.
You know,
No, just one.
Right here. Right here.
You're welcome. You want some tea too? Don't tell me.
You can't even get away from me.
I got you. There you go.
Oh, they got goodie bags. That was cool.
I can't thank Stateline Speedway enough for having this event. Gets the kids out, gets the parents out, you know, and lets us really connect with the community. I appreciate it. Thank you, Stateline. Got one of the 4 cylinders going for a quick twirl right up here. Somehow they managed to keep it off the wall and out of the other cars, so that was cool. Hey, big congrats to you for getting in the car and winning your first race ever. That was pretty awesome. Even if it was just a fun race, it still means something, and winning is winning. Congrats, man. y'all gonna see right here, I had a hard time getting my helmet in that window. Head's getting a little too big. Get ready to pull out for the main event. We had no qualifying, we had some practice, no heats, etc. Just a fun run. Had a good time. I'll get you guys some in-car footage here on this next slide. You'll like it. It was fun.
Well, we got a little participation trophy. Weren't very fast, but we went left and had fun. That's important. Signing out.